Today we are here at the Stadium Plaza. We're so excited to kick off the food drive that we're doing in conjunction with Schnucks as well as St. Louis City SC. We're hoping on September 20th to bring in loads of food that will go back to Operation Food Search and then be distributed throughout the community.
So at Schnucks, our why is nourishing people's lives. So we look for partnerships that believe in that mission or that purpose. And it takes a village. So we have partnered with Operation Food Search for more than 40 years. And the partnership with St. Louis City SC, we're in our first year, but it's just great to bring those two organizations together along with us, along with the great fans of St. Louis, to help those who are in need.
Well, I learned today that 1 in 6 children in St. Louis are at risk of hunger. Food insecurity is a huge issue here, not only here, but throughout the country. Here in St. Louis, along with the fans, we can definitely impact that in a positive way. We're all really excited about what's going on here.
Operation Food Search is a hunger relief organization. We work both to meet the immediate need for people who are food insecure. We also work on long-term solutions to the systemic problem of hunger. So we are out in the community providing food to children, families, seniors who need assistance.
Firstly, we have great partners in Schnucks. We're very much aligned in what we want to do with the community and how we want to engage with the community and be as impactful as possible. Operation Food Search has also been working with City SC on our collection of prepared and unprepared foods, and so we saw this opportunity to have this food drive to really try to be impactful and do something for St. Louisans who are experiencing food insecurity.
We had a great turnout at the food drive. We want to thank our partners at Operation Food Search and of course our partners at St. Louis City SC and the great fans who came out in droves and donated food. Really appreciate it. Nourishing people's lives is what we do. It takes a village, and we're just so proud to support this effort.